Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera crashing issues on Android phones, so you can get your camera working again in 2026. But before that, here's a quick recap. Step number 1, restart the camera app. Step 2, clear camera cache. Step 3, check permissions and updates. Let us jump right in. At step number 1, restart the camera app. Open settings on your Android phone. Tap Apps. Find and select Camera. Tap Force Stop. Reopen the camera app and check if it works. Sometimes the app gets stuck or freezes in the background, and restarting it fixes the issue. Step number 2, clear camera cache. Go back to the camera app settings. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. If the problem continues, tap Clear Data. Corrupted cache files are one of the most common reasons why the camera keeps crashing or showing a black screen. Step number 3, check permissions and updates. Go to Settings, Apps, Camera, Permissions. Make sure camera permissions are enabled. Then go to Software Update or Google Play Store. Install any available updates for your phone or camera app. Outdated software or blocked permissions can cause camera crashes and freezing issues. And that's it. Now you know how to fix camera crashing problems on Android phones. And hey, for disclaimer purpose only, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. Steps and menu names may vary depending on your Android version and device brand. Some camera issues may be caused by hardware damage and could require professional repair. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips. Do you have any questions for us to answer? Please drop your comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.